Hi, I'm back and I wanted to do a quick video on tips for buying makeup in Australia. I know a lot of Australians watch these makeup videos and they're all in the US, and you know, the makeup in the US is really cheap. The prices are fantastic and it's just hard to get comparable pricing for the same products here in Australia. And these are just a few of the things that I do so that I don't pay ridiculous amounts for my makeup. Let me give you an example. Revlon Color Stay, which is one of my favorite foundations, is I think $34.95 or $36.95 for a bottle here at the drugstore. I've seen it on Amazon for $7.99, $8.99, and you know, it's just a huge price difference. So what do I do? There's a chain of drugstores here called Priceline. I think they're in just about every city, and I go there most of the time when I'm looking for makeup and I want to swatch and check the color and make sure that I've got the right color for foundation and things like that. Priceline is fantastic. It's our, you know, everyday drugstore. The prices are still expensive because it is in Australia, but every now and then, and it's pretty often, they have these catalog sales. They do 30% off Revlon, 20% off Maybelline, and CoverGirl occasionally has 3 for $30, $10 each, which is pretty amazing. So you can get, like I've done it before at CoverGirl, where I've got a foundation, a primer, and a concealer all at $10 each, which comes out to $30, which is a really good price for Australia. And on top of that, when Revlon has sales on, they go 3 for 2, and you can get some pretty good deals there. And on top of that, they have for their lip products quite often buy one get one free, which is fantastic because that brings the prices right down. And for example, a Revlon lip butter 3 for 2, sorry, not 3 for 2, buy one get one free is, you know, it's half price, which is really good. The other thing that I do is I check the products at Priceline and then I go onto eBay. So recently I was looking for creme brulee in the Revlon lip butter, and I went to Priceline and swatched it. And after doing that, I went on to eBay and had a look around, and there were prices ranging from anywhere between $7 to $10 for the Revlon lip butter, including shipping. So there was one I found with shipping came up to around about $10. So if you don't want to wait for a sale and you want something right away, eBay is a good option. And although I have to warn you, sometimes eBay can be pretty expensive. Take, for example, I was looking at the new Wet n Wild limited edition 8-color palette in, I think, Sparkle Till Morning, and that was $16, which is ridiculous because, you know, in the US it's $4.99, I think, for that palette, and somebody's selling it on eBay for $16, which, you know, if somebody wants it enough, they will buy it. So, you know, hooray for them. But that's pretty much what I do. I check Priceline and I wait till the catalog sales come out and get anywhere between 20 to 30% off, 3 for 2, or buy one get one free. You know, if you ever want to go and shop at Priceline and there's no sale on, just wait a couple of days if you're not in a real hurry, or wait a week, because they always have sales on, and it's just worth waiting to get the extra sale. And the other thing I do, and I'm very fortunate, I have friends in the US. So I have a girlfriend called Tessa. Hi, Tessa. And she loves makeup too, and she does makeup videos. Her channel's Tess Lee 100, and she's amazing. So check her out too. But she will get me things that I can't get in Australia, and I will get her things that she can't get in the US, and we will, you know, send each other packages. And that's one way, you know, to do it. I also have another friend who lives somewhere else, and I can order stuff from Amazon or Sephora or any of the online stores and have them shipped to him. And what he will do is once a month, oh no, more than that really, it's once every 3 to 6 months, if you're willing to wait. You know, he will package it up for me in one of those boxes where you can get a pretty large box which will ship, I think, up to about 20 pounds of product in one box, and it's a flat rate of I think $50 or $55 shipping, which is amazing because one of those 20-pound boxes will fit a lot of makeup. And so I do that, and I would get a box from him maybe 2, sometimes 3 times a year. Whenever, you know, Urban Decay or Sephora have their friends and family sale, I take advantage of that and get the 20% off and then send it to my friend and he'll package it up. I have to learn to be patient though and not want my makeup right away and just wait until it gets sent to me, and then I have this huge, you know, it's Christmas thing going on when the packages arrive, which is amazing and lots of fun. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do when it comes to getting makeup, and getting makeup at a reasonable price so that I don't pay, you know, the crazy prices that Australia charges for, you know, products that you can get for a fraction of the cost elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Bye.